Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing the high-impact basics. Set your thermostat to 24-26 degrees C and close curtains to block heat. Once done, turn on a ceiling fan to improve comfort so you can raise the set point without feeling warmer, and clean or replace the AC filter now to restore airflow. Make sure to remove obstructions within about 0.5 meters of the unit. These immediate actions reduce runtime and energy draw, so you see savings from the very first hour. Next, optimize controls and the home envelope. Use a programmable or smart thermostat to raise the set point by 3-5 degrees during absences and schedule pre-cooling 15-30 minutes before you return. Once scheduled, set the AC fan to auto instead of on so the compressor cycles efficiently. Make sure ducts are sealed and attic insulation is adequate to prevent heat transfer. Reducing solar gain with reflective film or exterior shades further lowers compressor load. To finish, schedule annual maintenance. Clean coils, check refrigerant charge, and inspect caps and wiring so your system runs near peak efficiency. Once maintained, you'll sustain savings and extend equipment life. Make sure to keep the outdoor unit clear of debris and plantings for proper airflow. If you encounter weak cooling, first check the filter, thermostat settings, and batteries, then ensure the outdoor coil is clean. If issues persist, call a licensed technician to avoid damaging repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.